All right, so here it is. Here's my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. This is $108.28 worth of goods. It was all said and done. I had an overage, a moneymaker of $20.51. And as always, that total includes the tax. So we got to keep it real on our coupon boast, real accurate. So this is for the week of February 10th to February 16th or February 9th to February 15th. If you live up north, I live down in the southern part of the state of Florida. So today is Thursday. It's the first day of the sale. And I'm going to be doing this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off and do these deals before they go away, because some of these deals will go away as early as tomorrow. Today's Thursday because some are from the extra savings books, but there'll be more deals. And let me get right into the 18 or so best deals I thought of this week. Alright, so some of these deals I did before, and of course I did them again. Mountain Dew Rise, this came back in my About It. It's just for a can, so the regular price is $3, and you do pay $3, and with tax comes to $3.23. You use your Publix digital coupon, and it's for a free one, so you get $3 off. That costing you only 23 cents. Mountain Dew Spark right next to it, same kind of thing. Publix digital coupon for a free one. So regular price is $2.19, with tax comes to $2.35. You punch in your phone number for the digital coupon. $2.19 comes off. It does not take the tax off, so you're paying. You're not going to pay that because you can submit it to Fetch, and you get 1,500 points, which is like $1.40. So you're looking at $1.24 overage on that. Chex Mix Bars. So this is not in everybody's Ibotta, but I have, I recommend having or using someone else's account if you can. So I have a couple accounts. I do grocery shopping for my mom, my dad, so I use their phone number. Hey mom, would you like to never have to pay for groceries again if you're not a picky eater? Can I set up a Publix account and use your... Yeah, no problem. So kind of, I help them, they help me. So Chex Mix $3.89 for this, and Publix digital coupon for another free thing, so that came to $0. Keep going. Airwick, pretty much all these deals I did last week. This is from the Smart Source January 30th. There's a free coupon. These are $2.79 each. And before you do this, clip your digital coupon for $1.75 off any Airwick, because it comes off. So I did my digital coupons at the end and it came off. So for those, once again, $1.33 overage. So they're $2.79 each with tax. Comes to $3 for two of them. Comes to $6. The coupon is for a free one, so it takes $2.79 off and $2.79 off, so it's $5.58. And then, as I said, that Publix digital coupon for $1.75 comes off if you clip it early, or did for me now twice, so it's $1.33 overage on those. North sides, once again, still a good deal and still a valid coupon up until tomorrow. So one of the deals I was talking about that runs out. And this time I do have the $1.50 off of 2 manufacturer printable coupon. So these are $1.35 each. So if you buy 4 of them, they cost $5.40. You'll be using 2 of these manufacturer printable. And don't worry, as always, I got the link to print all these coupons. This one you have to sign up for their email club, and they send you coupons every month, and they range. And this one is the best one I've seen. It's $1.50 off of 2. So I use 2 of those, $1.50 off of 2, and then the store coupon is $1 off of 2. So $5.40 paid for all of them, getting $3 off from the manufacturer printable coupon and $2 off from the store coupon. And then I submit it to Fetch, gets a little more, like 50 cents more off, so makes that about a 10-cent overage right there. All right, keep going. Arnicare gel, I love doing this deal, and it's on sale again. So the regular price for these guys are $7.19. So for 2 of them, it costs $14.38. But as I said, they're on sale for $5.69 each. So $5.69 plus $5.69 is $11.38. And there's a manufacturer printable for $3 off. Check the below to get that printable coupon. And then Ibotta has $2 off of each box. So spending $11.38 for both of them, $3 off and $3 off from the manufacturer printable, $2 off and $2 off from Ibotta, making that only $1.38. And as always, folks, I was working up to something, and of course this time it is two somethings because I broke this up into two transactions. So this is a Zaxby's gift card, and if you spend $25 worth of groceries, you get $10 off that $25 Zaxby. So basically, I got $20 off, and I'll get into it. Sometimes you get lucky. I got even a better deal that happened there. So keep going. Let's see what's next. Field roast. These are plant-based. These are kind of hard to find. They're in actually the produce section. Yes, hot dogs in the produce section. They're not hot dogs. They're actually sausages. But come on, sausage in the produce section. Hey, they're plant-based. That's where they stuck them. At least at my store. So these are regularly $5.99. So for two of them, it costs $11.98. However, they're BOGO, so you get two of them for $5.99. There's a manufacturer printable for $1 off. You use two of those, $1 off and $1 off. Ibotta has $1.50 off of each one, so you're getting back $2 from the manufacturer coupons, $3 from Ibotta, making those two only 99 cents. And I probably could have got more. I only printed two of the coupons though. So keep going. Nivea Men's Shave Gel. There we go. So these guys, the regular price for these guys are $3.49. Regular price for these guys are $3.49 each. So for two of them plus tax comes to $7.50. However, they are on sale this week, so the sale brings them down to $2.61 each. So for two of them plus tax comes to $5.61. And there is, from the save January 30th, there is a coupon, $2 off of any two shave gels. Yeah, so that took $2 off. And then Ibotta, for me, had 75 cents off. I know a lot of people have like $1 off, maybe $1.25 off, but I had 75 cents off. I had a weaker one, but sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. So that these two things cost $5.61. $2 off from the save January 30th. $1.50 back from Ibotta, 75 and 75. It cost me $2.11 for both of those. Nivea Men's Aftershave, kind of the same thing. So this is regular price for this guy is $5.39 plus tax comes to $5.79. However, it's on sale, brings it down to $4.79. With tax comes to $5.15. There's that manufacturer coupon. It's the same one, and it is $1. It does say one per whatever, so as I said, I did two transactions, so I broke that up. But I'll get into why I bought these guys. $2 off from that manufacturer coupon, $1.50 back from Ibotta rebate, and then Ibotta has a $1 Ibotta bonus when you buy two Nivea products. These were considered the same, and then that one gave me another $1 back. So $5.15 for that guy, $2 from the save January 30th manufacturer coupon, $1.50 from Ibotta, $1 from Ibotta bonus, 65 cents it cost for that thing. And I know I'm talking fast. You know, all the breakdown is below and the links to print these coupons. So, you know, here we go again. Nivea Soft Body Cream. This, the regular price is $5.49. With tax comes to $5.90. However, it's on sale for $4.11. Plus tax comes to $4.42. You use this $2 off manufacturer coupon from the save January 30th. It does say in shower body lotion or cream product, and that's a cream product. So that took $2 off. And coupons.com app, it gives you $2 back on that. So making that thing only 42 cents. And keep it going. Chobani. So Chobani right here. Wow, I switched them around, but let me do this so it's easier to show you here, because these guys are a package. They're a team right there. So these are $3.99 each. $3.99 and $3.99. However, they're BOGO. So what I did is I bought one of these and one of these. This one I paid, this one I got free, or vice versa. So $3.99 for both of these. And there is a Publix digital coupon for $1 off of the oat, and a Publix digital coupon for $1 off of the Creener. So clip both of those, and it takes $1 off and $1 off. Checkout 51 has $1 back on this one and $1 back on this one. So you spend $3.99 for both of these. You get $1 off Publix digital coupon, $1 off Publix digital coupon, $1 off checkout 51, $1 off checkout 51 for this one, making it 0. So made that completely free. Yeah, and it's kind of smart to do this. So who wants to buy 2 of these and 2 of these when you can buy only 1? So, or if you want to buy 2, you'll spend a little money, but this way I got them free, and I'm all about the money maker, and I'm all about the overage. Keep going. Let's go with the Stonyfield yogurt. So these are the bigger size, the 2-pound, the 32 ounce. So these are $4.39 each. So for 2 of them, it cost you $8.78. However, they're BOGO. So BOGO means buy one get one free if you're really new to couponing. So buy one get one free. You're pretty much gonna win when you buy stuff. Buy one get one free. So buy one get one free, and there is a manufacturer printable. I will have the link for that. It printed so small. I'm sorry, you can blow it up, but it's $1.25 off of 2. It's from their website, and as I said, I got the link below to print that. And then you have $1 off from Aveda on each one. So spend $4.39, $1.20 off, $1.25 off from the manufacturer coupon, and $1 back, and $1 back on Aveda, making those yogurts $1.14 for both of them. And that might have been my second transaction where I was working up to that other gift card. So two transactions. I got $50 worth of Zaxby's, and that way I got the most bang for my buck here. So Aveeno Daily Scrub. Let's keep going. These are $7.49 with tax, $8.05. So it's just the regular price. There's a manufacturer printable coupon. I got the link for that below. That takes $2 off. It's also a Publix digital coupon, but I recommend using the manufacturer printable coupon because there's also a coupons.com rebate, takes $2 off, and it's just better that way. So that takes $2. You get $2 back from coupons.com, and also Aveda has $2 back. So you're spending $8.05. You're getting $2 from the manufacturer coupon, $2 from Aveda, $2 from the coupons.com rebate. So you're only spending $2.05. Alka-Seltzer Kids. Let's find this guy. Okay, there he is. So $4.49 for this guy, regular price. Manufacturer printable right there for $1 off. Store coupon. Once again, this goes away tomorrow, so get on that quick if you want to buy it. So that took $2 off, so $4.49 minus $1 minus $2. And then Fetch gave me a reward here of about $1, so it cost me about 49 cents for that guy right there. Tom's of Maine toothpaste, expensive toothpaste, and the regular price for this guy is, wow, I actually messed up, because the regular price for this guy, I believe it's like $6.75, so it's like $7.15 or something, but it's on sale for $5.75. I didn't put that. I got it on sale, so it's on sale for $5.75. So with tax it comes to $6.18, and there's a Publix digital coupon. Takes $1 off. There is an Aveda rebate that takes $2.15 off, and coupons.com has another $1 back on that guy. So in total, you're paying $2.03 for that Tom's toothpaste. So a good deal on that, and once again helps you get over that $25 threshold. Vita Coco. So this is regular $2.39. However, it's on sale 3 for $5, so it comes to $1.67. And there is a $1 manufacturer printable. I've got the link to print that below. So that only cost you 67 cents. And the finally last deal, the Silk Oat milk is $3.99. It's a regular price. There is a Publix digital coupon for $2 off. So clip that. There is $1.25 back from coupons.com. So use that. And Aveda had 75 cents. Some have $1. Some at 75 cents. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes, it varies. So basically, he's paying $3.99, $2 from the Publix digital coupon, $1.25 from coupons.com, 75 cents from Aveda, making that zero zilch nothing. So and of course, getting $10 off this Zaxby was a great deal. And I got a friend. We're gonna go to Zaxby's, and she's gonna say, "Wow, you always buy everything with coupons," and I'm gonna say to her, "You're always right," and she'll like that. When I tell her she's always right. Okay, so I don't know what happened on these, but it took it off twice. If you can see that, digital coupon gift card $10, digital coupon gift card $10. I wasn't gonna argue. The next time, my next transaction, it took it off once, so I got $30 back from these guys, making my overage moneymaker $20.51. So it should have been $10.51, but I don't know what happened. I think, this digital coupon is different than the MasterCard or Visa $10 off of 50, where it's the cashier seeing that you're over $50 and they punch in the lookup number to take $10 off. This time you're dealing with a computer, and the computer does not calculate the tax. So I was like at 25.68. So most people would say I'm over 25, but of course with tax I was not. So I said, hold that transaction. I'm gonna add a little more on. I had a little more on. It still didn't take it off. Then he recalled the transaction where he kind of saves it. Then he brought it back up. He said, enter your phone number again. Bam, bam. Two of the tens came off. I was going to argue that's how it happened. Sometimes you get lucky, as I say. And, this one was a pain in the ass. Sorry, my language, a pain in the butt. I had to, do it twice, but everything came off. Everything came off. Once again, paid to shop. 108. It's more like $110. I'll have the total updated in there, and it's over a $20 overage moneymaker. So once again, please subscribe to this funny looking guy right here if you haven't done so. Check out my other videos, because last week there are some deals you can probably still do. So everybody enjoy their couponing this week.